In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete labels in Pipedrive. Labels are the colored tags you see on your deals that help you categorize and prioritize work. Sometimes those tags outlive their usefulness, and you may want to remove them to keep your pipeline clean. Here's how to do that quickly and confidently. Start by opening your deals dashboard in Pipedrive. This is your main pipeline view where you can see your stages in a board layout or switch to a list view. Make sure you're signed in to the correct workspace and have permission to edit deals, otherwise you won't be able to change labels. Next, click the specific deal that currently has the label you want to delete. You can open it from any stage. If you're having trouble finding it, use the search bar or filter by label to surface the right deal faster. Inside the deal details, locate the label displayed near the top section of the record. It usually appears as a small colored pill with the label name. Click directly on that label to bring up its controls. You'll now see options to modify the label. Click the pencil icon to edit. The pencil is Pipedrive's universal symbol for making changes, and selecting it opens the label editor for this deal. If you have multiple labels on the same deal, this is where you choose the one you intend to remove. Look for the trash bin icon within the label editor. The trash bin indicates the remove or delete action. Hovering over it often reveals a tooltip confirming you're about to delete the label from this deal. Pause here for a second and confirm you've selected the correct label, because this action will instantly clean it off the record. Finally, click delete. If a confirmation prompt appears, accept it. The label will disappear from the deal and your changes save automatically. To double check, glance back at the deal header. The label should no longer be visible. If you still see it due to caching, refresh the page and verify again. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. This process removes the label from the current deal only. If you need to remove a label from many deals at once, consider a bulk update from your deals list. And if your goal is to retire a label across your entire account, you may need admin access to adjust label settings globally. That's it. Your deal is now free of the label, and your pipeline is cleaner and easier to read.